Hey everyone! Do you remember when you first started learning about money? Do you wish you knew more about managing finances when you were younger? Well, today we're going to discuss something that we believe is crucial to the future of our society: the importance of financial education for our children. We'll also explore practical strategies for teaching them about money, budgeting, investing, and building wealth. So stick around and let's empower the next generation together. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more life-changing content. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why is financial education so important? Aren't kids supposed to learn this stuff in school? Well, the reality is that most schools don't teach personal finance. And as Benjamin Franklin once said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Financial education is essential because it lays the foundation for our children's financial success and independence. You see, money is a tool, and like any tool, it can either help or hurt you depending on how you use it. If we teach our children about money and building wealth from a young age, we give them a head start on their journey to financial freedom. This knowledge will empower them to make smart decisions and avoid the pitfalls that many of us have faced. Let me share a quick story with you. When I was a kid, my parents gave me a small allowance. I'd spend it all on candy and toys. But one day, my dad sat me down and taught me about saving and investing. He explained how if I saved just a little bit each month, I could invest it and watch it grow. That conversation changed my life, and I want to help you spark that same change in your children. Teaching kids about money. So, how can we teach our kids about money? Let's break it down into 3 age groups: young kids, preteens, and teenagers. First, let's talk about young kids, say ages 4 to 8. At this stage, it's crucial to introduce the concept of money and its value. You can start by showing them coins and bills, explaining the differences and the worth of each. Then give them a piggy bank to save their allowance or birthday money. This visual representation of saving helps them understand the concept of delayed gratification. The idea that if they save now, they can buy something more valuable later. As Warren Buffett said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Now, let's move on to preteens, ages 9 through 12. This is the perfect time to teach them about budgeting. Encourage them to divide their money into 3 categories: saving, spending, and giving. By doing this, they'll learn the importance of managing their finances and the value of generosity. Consider using a money management app to make this process fun and engaging. Lastly, we have teenagers, ages 13 to 18. This age group is ready to learn about more advanced financial concepts like investing, credit, and debt. Tell them about the power of compound interest and how it can help them grow their wealth over time. Explain the concept of credit and how to build a good credit score responsibly. Also, emphasize the potential dangers of debt and how it can hinder their financial growth. Remember, teaching kids about money doesn't have to be boring. Make it fun and interactive by playing games, watching educational videos, or reading books together. The key is to make learning about money enjoyable and engaging so that they'll be more likely to retain the information. Instilling the entrepreneurial spirit. Now that we've covered the basics of financial education, let's talk about how we can instill an entrepreneurial spirit in our children. After all, entrepreneurship is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. First, encourage their creativity and curiosity. If they show an interest in a hobby or skill, support their passion and help them explore ways to turn it into a business. Let them know that it's okay to take risks and that failure is just a stepping stone to success. As Thomas Edison once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Second, teach them the value of hard work and persistence. Share stories of successful entrepreneurs who started from humble beginnings and achieved greatness through determination and resilience. Encourage them to set goals and work towards them, even when the going gets tough. Lastly, involve them in your own entrepreneurial ventures if you have any. Show them the ins and outs of running a business. and let them take on small tasks and responsibilities. This hands-on experience will give them invaluable insights into the world of entrepreneurship and help them develop a strong work ethic. Creating a financially savvy environment. Now, let's discuss how we can create a financially savvy environment for our children. Here are 4 tips to help you foster a home where financial education and wealth building are valued and encouraged. Number 1. Be a positive financial role model. Children learn best by example, so make sure your actions align with the financial principles you're teaching them. Practice responsible money management, save and invest wisely, and live within your means. Your kids will be more likely to adopt these habits if they see you practicing them consistently. Number 2. Encourage open discussions about money. Make talking about finances a regular part of your family conversations. Share your financial goals and challenges, and encourage your children to do the same. This open dialogue will help them feel comfortable discussing money and asking questions. Number 3. Provide real-world experiences. Give your children opportunities to practice their financial skills in real-life situations. Let them handle their own money, plan a family outing on a budget, or participate in a mock investment exercise. These experiences will help them develop financial confidence and competence. Number 4. Continuously educate yourself. Stay up to date with the latest financial trends and information so you can provide the most accurate and relevant advice to your children. Read books, watch YouTube videos, and attend seminars to expand your financial knowledge. The importance of financial education cannot be overstated. By teaching our kids about money and building wealth, we're equipping them with the tools they need to achieve financial freedom and success. So, let's commit to raising a generation of financially savvy individuals who will make a positive impact on the world. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. How have you taught your kids about money? What strategies have worked best for your family? Let's keep the conversation going and learn from one another. Until next time, remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself and your family. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description. We also have a free guide for your financial education in the video description. Remember, we have made it our personal goal to deliver financial education to everyone. Watch our video appearing on the screen right now. See you there.